clockwise for petal anti-spin. So from here, if we're in underhand on the left, one way that you can do it, again, there's multiple ways of doing it, right? When you're at this front position, come down to the bottom, and then boom, just continue around. All you do is continue around in your 4-petal. And then here, you could, as you're coming over the top, when you come down, right, so right side, top side, left side, and then when you're down, you flip it at the bottom. You go into the 4-petal, then you come down from the side into the cap. From the cap, in the bottom position, turn 90 degrees, pop them both to the front side on the right, and up and around. And then from the side position on the left, turn back 90 degrees and bring it down to the bottom, and you're back in your cap. So from the bottom, turn right, then you're in your 4-petal. From the left side, turn and bring it to the bottom of the cap. From the bottom, turn right, you're in your 4-petal. From the left side, bring it down into the cap. From the bottom, turn right into the 4-petal. From the left side, bring it back down to the bottom. And then one more set of them. From the bottom, turn right into the 4-petal. From the left side, turn it down to the bottom. If you're in the cap, at the top point, you turn left, land it here on the left side, then go into your 4-petal. And then on the right side, you turn, and as you turn, you bring it to the top position of the cap. So from the top position of the cap, turn left to the left side. From the right side, turn back into the cap. From the top position, turn left. From the right position, go into the top. From the top, turn left. From the right position, go into the top of the cap. From the top position, turn left. From the right position, go back into the cap.